This video will show you how to do the Dialpad workflows with Zoho CRM, where you could send out SMS using your Dialpad account via automated workflows. Once you installed our extension, which a previous video showed you how to do, you could go ahead and click Workflow Rules. The prerequisite for you to understand is that the Dialpad SMS module, when you create a new record, actually sends it out as well. So I could type in anything I want, manual SMS1. I could put in the full digits of a phone number and the full digits of my authorized phone number. I could link it to a lead if I wanted to. But basically, I could write my message here. And if I save this, it will go ahead and run the text message, get an ID back from Dialpad, and the message was sent. So based on this is how workflow is going to be working. You do a workflow rule, a new rule, and let's say every lead will get a Dialpad text message. So what I want to do is I could create the record. Now, if you know how to do deluge functions, or you want to hire us to do deluge functions, you could write the new record via deluge, and then you have a lot of options what you want to have happen in that message. Dialpad SMS is going to be the module, and we're going to create a new module. We're going to add more fields because we're going to need the 2, as we showed before, and the from is required. And I just need to find that number. Okay. And we need text message. You could even insert merge fields. Save. So creating a new lead. Actually, I made a mistake. We go back. I don't need to hard code my number. I could just say this is going to be the phone. And you could, I believe, use the user module for a phone number for a user. But for now, we're going to hard code it. So if I do a new lead, I already have this. Let's delete them. And we got the text message. Hello world from workflow test 2. And that's what we were expecting. So that's how workflows work.